Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So for today's topic is 1.2, which is electric field. So the first learning objective 1.2a, you have to know how to define and use electric field strength, or also known as electric field intensity. Okay, so let's look at the definition. So electric field strength at a point is defined as the electric or electrostatic force per unit positive charge that acts at that point in the same direction as the force. So it mentioned here, it is the electrostatic force per unit positive charge. Okay, so kalau kamu tengok kat sini, it is positive charge that acts at the point in the same direction as the force. Okay, so or in another words, E, symbol for electric field, is equals to electric force per unit positive test charge. Okay, so E, the electric field strength, F, the electrostatic force ataupun electric force, dan Q is a test charge. So kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, dia guna Q0. Okay, so what you need to know here is we have thing that you have to ponder, which is Q. Biasanya kita guna Q besar as a point charge. Okay, dan Q kecil biasanya kita guna sebagai test charge. Okay, dan biasanya point charge is not moving. Dia boleh bergerak tapi dia jarang bergerak, and test charge, which is the charge that is moving. Okay, so point charge and test charge. Okay, so kalau kamu tengok, electric field ialah electric force per unit positive test charge. Okay, so kita tahu E is equals to F over Q0. And semalam, or the video before this, we have learned that F is equals to KQQ over R square. Dan KQQ over R square divided by Q0. And I also can use Q0 as a small q. So from here, we can cancel the Q because it is the same Q. So what left for E is equals to K modulus Q over R square. So this is the definition and this is the equation, right? So it said here that the magnitude is the nilai, the value of the electric field strength can be written as E equals to K modulus Q over R square. Same goes to electric field. When we substitute the value for Q, we only take the value. We ignore the negative sign. Kalau dia negative, we only take the positive. Kita ambil value, kita tak ambil sign dia. Okay, over R square is the distance between a point and a point charge. Okay, dia ada satu point dan ada satu point charge. Okay, kalau kamu nak kat sini, Q is the magnitude. Magnitude is the nilai, not the sign. Okay, so this one is the same. E equals to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R square because K is equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, but no worries because the value for K is a constant 9 exponent 9. Alright, so you don't have to memorize because this is given in the list of constant. Alright, so that is the magnitude of the electric field, how we want to calculate, and it is a vector quantity. Kalau vector quantity, we know we should have a magnitude and the direction. Okay, so the magnitude we can calculate by using this formula, and the direction, kita kena tahu what is the symbol for the point charge. Okay, and the unit for the electric field is Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Biasanya kita guna Newton per coulomb sebab force per unit charge. Unit untuk force ialah Newton, unit untuk charge ialah coulomb. So Newton per coulomb. Alright, so important notes here, it said that the direction of the electric field strength depends on the sign of the point charge only. Okay, yang ni kita akan belajar lepas ni, the direction. Okay, the direction of the electric force depends on both sign of the point charge and the test charge. Okay, this one yang we have learned in the previous video, force. But untuk field, we only take note for the point charge sahaja. Right? For example here, we have positive point charge. So, point dekat sini dia tak ada charge. Dia point sahaja, neutral. So, the direction here is depends on this point charge. Okay? Alright. Okay, now, we go deeper into the direction of the electric field. Sebab field ialah vector, it should have a magnitude and direction. Okay, so the direction of electric field, kita fokus dekat this part sahaja. Sebab atas ni ialah force. Okay, therefore, the electric field produced by the positive charge is directed away. Okay, so kalau kamu nak pastikan, positive charge, dia akan sentiasa keluar. The direction of electric field dia. So, the point here, dia akan experience daripada yang ini. So, point ini, ni keluar kan? So, electric field ni juga akan keluar ke sini. Okay? So, kalau kamu tengok, kalau negatif, negatif dia akan masuk. Okay? So, point dekat sini, point ni, dia tak ada charge. Dia depends on dekat sini, point charge yang ini. So, yang ini masuk, so dekat sini dia akan ke kiri. Right? So, that's why dia kata, kalau electric field, dia hanya depends on one charge sahaja. But kalau electric force, dia depends on two charges. Two charges that we have learned in the previous video. Okay? But no worries, you only need to focus here. Okay? Kalau positif, dia keluar. So, that's why yang ini dia juga point kat sini. So, dia akan keluar. Kalau negatif, dia masuk. So, kalau dia masuk, this one juga akan masuk. So, we will go deeper in the example after this. Right? So, that's for electric field.